All right, we test drove the truck and put 5 gallons of fresh gas, some fuel injection cleaner in it. Now we're taking apart the brakes. It's got disc in the rear, disc in the front. We're gonna change the shocks and the rear brakes today. All the parts came from Rock Auto. I was able to get, and I'll list all the prices at the end. We get a mechanic's discount at the auto parts stores. I was still able to beat the prices by half the price. And I'll list the prices of what we're doing here. All right, my brother did the brakes while I did the shocks. The shocks were harder to get off than they were to put on. Mamma mia. But they were original equipment shocks. So once we had to do a bunch of rigadamoo or whatever to get them off. But the brakes went on easy, right? No, so we're all good. And we're gonna put the tires back on the rear, so the rear of this truck's all done. And then now we're gonna jump to the front and analyze what we need to buy.
Shocks.
So we need shocks, we need upper and lower control arm bushings, ball joints, upper and lower, right? And brakes in the front. So that's what we'll order for next week.
And then if we want to do everything, then we can go ahead and we can test to see the center link and then also tie rod ends.
We need those or no?
I mean, if we're going to go and do everything, might as well
Okay.
just change it all.
All right. I'll put down the price of what we did today, how much we saved, 3 different ways from you walking in a parts store, mechanic walking in, and then Rock Auto. So I'll list the prices of what I got stuff for. Now on Rock Auto, I did not buy the economy stuff. I bought the daily driver or better, or their performance or whatever you want to call it. So, because I know my son's gonna be driving this car for a while. Truck, excuse me. All right, so that's it for this week. We'll see what's going on. All right, the whole point of the series we're doing is if you have some mechanical know-how, or just a little bit, you can do these repairs that we're doing. All right, my brother's helped me out with this whole process to speed it up. All right, and I've got a lift. He's got a lift at his shop also. So it's also time for us to hang out together. We do this on Sunday mornings early. All right, so last week, the price of the truck, and then all the repairs, the fuel tank, putting a new fuel pump, some fuel lines in it, a filler neck, and a new battery. We were at $3,139. All right, this week, what we did was we did the rear part. We did rear brakes, and it has disc brakes. We put ceramic pads on it and good quality shocks that are equivalent to OEM, original equipment manufacturer, right? So where we're at on this project right now is $3,315.99. All right. A new, let's say, 2025 used XLT Super Cab Ford F150. They go between $40,000 and $45,000. Just depends where you live, right? So the whole point of this project is to give my son a solid truck when we're done. I could have found another truck that was probably a little bit better shape, but I would have to pay over $6,000 for one. And it's getting harder and harder to find those because a lot of them have been rode hard and put up wet. So this one, the next stage, now we know the back's all good. The next stage will be the front end. We're gonna jump in there and that's what we're gonna film this weekend. And we'll be doing, it probably be more than just one video on it because we've got to do as you saw, we got to do the brakes. I'm changing the upper control arm, the lower control arm bushings, ball joints, the whole front end. We're just going to do the whole front end, all right? And I'm putting a leveling kit in the truck. Since I'm going to have it apart, we'll level it out, right? And so you'll see some discounted parts and stuff on there that I'm trying to make this to where you, the average guy, can do this, all right? And if you need help, I'm sure you got a friend or somebody that can help you jump in there. And it's all being done with normal tools, all right? And if there's a specialty tool, I'll show you where you can go to the auto parts store and they have loaners to where they'll loan you that tool instead of you going out and buying that tool for a one-time use, all right? So, this goes, I know my channel's got a lot of the stump grinding machinery stuff in it, but it's also the Mustangs and trucks and equipment, how to save money and get your hands dirty a little bit, all right? It's not rocket scientist stuff, all right? Anyway, so that's where we're at. We're at $3,315.99 so far in a solid truck. And I'll leave it there. We'll see you next week.